Hello and welcome to the demonstration video of syncing your products from Shopify to Discogs using Disconnect. Disconnect is a platform that allows you to sync in both directions, that is from Shopify to Discogs or Discogs to Shopify. Whether you are already selling on Discogs or you are looking forward to start selling on Discogs, our app can sync your products in either direction. You have to connect your e-commerce store, that is Shopify, and start the sync. It is very simple process. First, you have to connect your Discogs account. For that, you can click on this button. It will redirect you to your Discogs store. Here, you have to click on the authorize button. After authorization, your Discogs will be successfully connected with our portal. Now, as you are going to sync products from Shopify, select Shopify and add your Shopify domain. Add only the domain name and API password. That is the Shopify API token password. To know how to get the token, you can click on this tooltip. It will redirect you a guide where you will be able to find the steps of finding out the API token password. After adding these two details, click on the authenticate button. Once you do that, your Shopify will be connected with our portal. Now it will ask you to select the direction where you want to sync. As we are going to sync from Shopify to Discogs, then we have to select the Shopify to Discogs product sync button. Here you will get the option to select the tag or product type from which we are going to fetch the details of the product. Whatever products you are going to sync from Shopify to Discogs, you have to add those products under any tag or product type and select that here. If you are selecting product type, for example, so you have to add the product type name on which those products are there. For example, I have added test. Now you have to enter a field that will hold the release ID. For syncing from reverse direction, that is Shopify to Discogs, release IDs are mandatory because without release ID, creating a product under Discogs is not possible. All the products of this product type must have the release ID either on the product details SKU or barcode. If you are selecting SKU, then you have to make sure then on the product details you are adding all the release IDs on the SKU only. After selecting the identifiers for fetching the products, do not forget to select the Shopify location. Once you do that, click on Save and start the sync. Now it will take 15 to 20 minutes to fetch all the products of that product type with release IDs from Shopify to Disconnect. Now to create the products on Discogs, you have to go to the channel settings. Here, you have to click on the Discogs tab. By default, it will open the Discogs tab only and turn on the button to create the products on Discogs. Now you have to do some setup here. Also, you have to select a default media and sleep condition. And if you want to send any comments, you can use these shortcodes and add your comments. If you want to apply repricing by percentage or by amount, whether you want to decrease or increase, you can add that value. And after that, you have to select the status of Discogs, on which status you want the product to get created under Discogs, either in draft or for sale. Once you do that, you can click on Save button. After completing all the setups, your Shopify products will start syncing to Discogs. So this is how reverse sync of Disconnect works for Shopify and Discogs. If you have any questions, please write to us. Thank you.